everyone, it's Teacher Ophelia from Penny Pumpernickel Pants Play Care. Today we're going to be doing a craft together on the letter Q. Q for Q-tip. So if you're a pumpernickel, you will have your template in your bag along with your paint. If you're a friend, don't worry, you will find your template for our Q-tip craft on pennypumpernickelpants.com. So let's start. So what I have right now is just my letter Q printout, along with some Q-tips that I found in my house. I'm just going to take my Q-tip and pick the paint that I want to Q-tip my template with. So I think I'm going to start with red. I'm gently just going to put the Q-tip in the red paint and start very gently making a pattern. And it's as simple as that. We're just going to go around picking different paints and Q-tipping our letter Q. You can use a different Q-tip for each color if you want, or you can mix and match them. Perhaps you'll see what different colors make when they blend together. Take your time. You could even put on some music right now. I like to be very present with my art and see what comes into my imagination when it's very quiet. Maybe you'll make dots like me. Maybe you'll decide that you want to do some patterns. I could do a swirl. Actually, I do like dots. I'm dotting my lowercase q right now, which is also known as the little q, and then my uppercase Q, which is a capital or a big Q. There is no right or wrong way to do this. We're just taking our time and making our beautiful Q-tip art. I think I want to blend some of my colors right now. Ooh, that reminds me of the ocean. Now continue on and see what you come up with. And look at that, our Q-tip art. It's beautiful and colorful. What patterns did you create? What different colors did you use? I can't wait to see your photos. Visit me at pennypumpernickelpants.com. Until next time.